Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: your current master password and the recovery key or backup codes. Once done, make sure you're on a private, secure network and have any secondary device for two-factor authentication ready. Now open the Vault application or web portal, sign in, and navigate straight to account or security settings. This step is critical because changing the password requires active authentication and access to recovery options in case something goes wrong. You'll now perform the core change. Select Change Password and re-authenticate with your current credentials and any two-factor code. Next, create a new password or passphrase. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of words, numbers, and symbols to resist guessing and brute force. Make sure the new value is unique versus other accounts. Once composed, paste it from or save it to your password manager. Then enter and confirm it so the system validates both entries. After saving the new password, sign out of the vault and sign back in immediately to verify access. This confirms the change propagated to your account. Make sure to update any synced devices and applications, and consider revoking existing sessions or tokens to prevent continued access with the old password. If something goes wrong and you can't sign in, use your recovery key right away or contact the Vault administrator or support for a guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.